Self discipline. We always heard self discipline is very necessary for our life. We can successful if we are self disciplined, self controlled. But somehow we always got scared by this word self discipline. As from childhood, we always got this word as burden or threat. Don't do that, behave yourself. Do this, it's a good thing. Behave like a good child. So, our mind have perspected it as a big mountain which can't be climbed, or we have to restrict ourselves for living our life. But that's wrong. Self discipline is a lifestyle which can lead us to success very easily. We think somehow, what if I got up at 7 instead of 6? Or sometimes I wake up early. How does that matters? It matters, as our mind is a reflection of our action. So, if we get up at 6 or 7, any particular time which is dependent on our lifestyle, our mind responds on our signals. Response. Our mind gets signal for doing productive things. In simple words, if you are roaming on road and see some nice things, you don't buy it, as your mind knows you are just on a road, not buying things. Same way, if you go for a shopping, you see thousands of things and finalize something. If you don't like anything, you check another shop, but you buy something cause our mind knows we are here to buy something. So he always work on productivity to buy something, like something. This is how our mind works. If we have fixed something in it, it will work accordingly. If today you woke up at 6 and meditate or study, then next few days you slept for 7 or 8. Again one fine day you wake up and you do meditation. Your mind will not feel good. Your mind will not concentrate on what you are doing. It will feel sleepy, lazy. This is the reason why self-discipline is very necessary for us. Self-loving, self-confidence is also equally important. If you are following some rules for yourself, admire it first. Love yourself for what you are doing. Don't ask appreciation from others. Give self-appreciation. This can also change the output. If you are on diet or you are doing some kind of keto, crash course, whatever, admire your decision. Think that this is for your good. Feel good for what you are doing. You will get good results. Don't feel side part if you went out and all are munching on junks. You can't, that's okay. But don't feel bad for yourself for doing this, compromising this, cause this will give negative impact on your mind and body. You can smilingly say to yourself, this is not good for yourself. We are working on a path of our health. We are recovering for good. We have to be good. Compromising junk is a milestone. You have to achieve it. Always use affirmations for your health. Feel good. Always affirmate yourself that your body is detoxifying all bad things. All bad fats are burning out with the help of your diet. You are achieving good results. This will feel you good, and also you will get the results for your health too. This all you can achieve from self-discipline, self-control, self-love. Think about your goals and work on it with discipline and self-control.